How to fix Fallout 4 crashing PS5 Fallout 4 not working on PS5 Fallout 4 PS5 crashing Fallout 4 PS5 not working. Restart the game. 1. Press the PS button on your controller to go to the dashboard. 2. Highlight Fallout 4 and press Options. 3. Select Close Application and press X. 4. Highlight Yes and press 5. To restart, highlight Fallout 4 and press X. Power cycle the console. To power cycle your PlayStation 5 quarters. 1. Press and hold the PS button on your controller. 2. Turn off the PS5 per ps2. 4. With turn off PS5 PS4 and not, enter rest mode. 3. Make sure the light goes out on the console and then unplug its power cable and wait for 10 seconds. 4. Plug the power cable back in and turn the console back on by pressing the PS button on your controller. Disable your mods. To disable a mod, open Fallout 4 and select Mods from the main menu. From the Find the mod you wish to uninstall in your library, select it, and use the Disable option. Uninstall and reinstall the game. To uninstall a game on your PS5 PS4, follow the steps found here. Do not delete your save files, but only the game itself. Once complete, you can reinstall the game from your library or the game disk. Play offline. Alternately, if none of the above steps have resolved your issue, you may want to disconnect your console from the internet and launch the game.